Write the products of the following reactions. The reactions that you can see here, they are the olefins with the hydrogen halides. Okay. So basically, this question is from the haloalkanes and haloarenes and reactions with the alkenes with the hydrogen halide. Okay, two things you need to understand and keep these things into your brain that Markownikoff addition, Markownikoff addition, okay, and the anti-Markownikoff addition, okay, anti-Markownikoff reactions, addition, okay. So these two things you need to understand. And this anti-Markownikoff addition is also known as the Kharash effect or the peroxide effect. Kharash effect or the peroxide effect, right? Now, so these things we will try to apply here in all these questions. Okay, so first of all, let's recall what we studied in the Markownikoff addition. So the the electrophilic mechanism, that kind of the reaction. So Markownikoff addition basically talk about the how the HBr or HCl or HI will react with the alkene. Okay, it means that whenever you talk about the HCl, HBr, HI, you see that there is a negative part and there is a positive part. Okay, so that is the H plus and Br negative. Okay, so you know that this bromide is your negative part, right? So the Markownikoff addition simply talk about that where this negative part will go to the alkene, okay? Which so you can see here in the first example. So the Markownikoff addition, this rule says that the negative part of the at random will go to that carbon where there will be the less number of hydrogens that are present. Okay, so whereas the anti-Markownikoff addition or the Kharash effect is just opposite to this, that the anti-Markownikoff rule says that in the presence of the peroxide, the negative part of the addendum will go to that carbon which has the maximum number of hydrogens. Okay, so this is the uh, these two concepts. Okay, Markownikoff addition and Kharash effect. So let's see, but the Kharash effect is always be in the presence of the peroxide. Okay, so let's see the first question. How to solve this particular? So we have the phenyl ring. Okay, then we have this hydrogen, these three hydrogens, right? And we have this is the carbon-carbon double bond center. Okay, so you can see here this is the unsaturation is present here. So definitely this the attack of this H plus or Br negative. Okay, so there will be the addition of this bromide to these two carbon. Okay, so there are the two possibility first. Okay, first possibility and this is your second possibility. Okay, so where this negative part will go? Okay, so according to the Markownikoff addition, the negative part will go to that carbon which has the least number of hydrogens. Okay, so if you say the second carbon, so this second carbon, basically this second carbon is attached with two hydrogens. Okay, this is attached with two hydrogens, whereas the first carbon, this first carbon is attached with the first carbon one. This is attached with only one hydrogen, right? One phenyl and this. So you can say one hydrogen is present. So definitely you can say that the bromide, okay, Br negative. So this will attack to this first carbon. Okay. Of course, there are some steric repulsions due to this phenyl ring. But right now we will solve this question like this. Okay, so what will be the product of this reaction? You can say that this pH, the phenyl ring will remain same. Okay, and this carbon, okay, this will convert into saturated one, and these two hydrogens will remain same, all right, but this hydrogen, okay, suppose this is your hydrogen and this negative charge bromide will be there, okay. So this is your final product that you can expect in this reaction, okay. So the addition of this bromide to this carbon is due to the Markownikoff addition reaction, okay. So let's see the next question, and this question, what you can see here is this is the alkene, all right, this is the unsaturation. So the chloride negative, H positive, right? So this Cl negative will attack to this carbon, okay, which carbon? So definitely it will attack with the CH, okay, because it is having the lesser number of the hydrogen. So you can expect here that CH2C, okay, CH. So here the hydrogen is already present, so this Cl negative will come at this point, okay. So Cl negative will come at this point, and this will be your CH3, right? So that's how you will find the product after this reaction, okay. That's your product of this reaction, okay. Now let's see the next third question, and this is interesting one, and here we are saying that the reaction of the olefin, the alkene, is in the presence of the peroxide, okay. We are reacting the HBr in the presence of the peroxide with the alkene. So here you think about the Kharash effect, right? So Kharash effect. So this is the example of the Kharash effect, you can say. So in the presence of the peroxide, the reaction will work as an anti-Markownikoff addition. Okay, so you can say here that after the reaction, what will be your product? So I am writing here. So this will be your CH3, right? So this is your carbon and then hydrogen double bond CH2, right? So once this will attack with the HBr, what will be the scenario? That after the reaction of this H plus and Br negative, right? This Br negative, it will not go to the less number. Okay, why? Because the peroxide is present here. Okay, due to the presence of the peroxide like H2O2, right? So that kind of the thing is there. So the bromide will not be the in this particular case. Okay, generally it will go at this case, but it will not go. So where it will go? So definitely it will go to that carbon which is having the highest number of hydrogens. Okay, so that's how now I am writing the product. So what would be the your product? So this will be your pH ring. All right, benzene ring CH3. Okay, then CH. This will be your CH2, and then bromine will be there. Okay. So I think the hydrogen valencies and the hydrogen will be there. Okay, so that one that is your expected product that you can see here. Okay, all right. So that's your answer. So that's how we learn about the what is the Kharash effect. Okay, and what is the Markownikoff addition reaction. Okay, so these things we need to keep in mind while understanding the concept while doing the questions of the addition of the olefins with the HBr, HCl or HI, the hydrogen halide. Okay, so thank you.